to Naurah Homestay. So my friends and I found this place on seeksophie.com, I think, and I'm gonna show you guys how awesome this place looks. Like when I came in, it just felt like a breath of fresh air, and it just felt like all of the worries from the city went away. So I hope you guys liked it too, because I really liked it. So look at this beautiful second entrance. Have a look around. I think I will show you guys this little like sitting room. But first, I think look. Come get some closer shots of the works here. I love that they have like a little bookcase, stacked, and then this cute zebra and little mirror. And I really like this mirror. I don't know why, I just like it. So this is the kitchen. Has really everything we need. Microwave, oven, freezer, fridge, cooking area, utensils, water dispensing machine, rice cooker, everything. And beautiful paintings as well. So washroom, back to the like a back kitchen. This is where all the cooking stuff is. Oh, it's logs. Okay. Yeah. You can cook eggs and anything. And you guys have to like scan this when you come in. Per usual, Malaysia. And now we get to see the chalets. I love that they have like these little, is it called koi fish pit? Koi fish pond, and it goes around like the whole property. There's like a koi fish pond just loops around. It's very beautiful. So cute! Okay, I'll take you to the chalet. I also really like these flowers that they hang around each lamp, and each chalet room has a different name, which I found quite cool. Merbau is the room that Jeff and I are staying in, the chalet. So I'll show you guys like a quick look. Look how nice it is! And then when we came in, it was nice and cold and it smelled good. I'm entering. So it's a shared bathroom. There's two rooms on each side. One room has a queen bed, and the other room has two single beds because we're here with 4 people. 2 of my friends and Jeff. Super cute mirror. You see Jeff? Washroom, separate veranda, and this bed is so cute. And like when you're in the bath, just imagine it. You can just hear like the pouring water. You can see the koi fish. If you add some like scented candles and everything, really add like a whole atmosphere. Now, the pool. The pool! Pretty big, beautiful. All you can hear is nature, crickets. There's like 2, is it called sunbeds? And we'll walk a bit closer. I really like this sitting area. Yeah. And oh my god, there's monkeys. Okay, yeah, Malaysia. That's why we have to hide our food well. And There is the sitting area. So this whole villa can accommodate, I think, 12 packs, but we're 4 packs, so yeah. Outside kitchen, pizza, what's it called? Pizza oven? Like a fire pizza oven. The part I actually really like about this place, which we just found out, was that there's 5 kittens that are here. Oh my god! So yeah, I mean, they're so cute. And I think that's it for now.